Meaning of ethylene.
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 Ethylene. Ethylene is a colorless gas with a sweet, pungent odor that is used primarily in the production of plastics and other chemicals. Its molecular formula is C2H4. Ethylene is a hydrocarbon, meaning it consists of carbon and hydrogen atoms, and it is classified as an unsaturated compound because it contains a double bond between two carbon atoms. It is also a flammable gas that can cause respiratory irritation and other health effects when inhaled at high concentrations. Overall, ethylene plays an important role in the chemical industry and has both beneficial and potentially harmful properties.